Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn Philips HOMERUN 2000 on or off. It's pretty easy, you just need to flip it upside down. And at the bottom you should see this switch right here, and you can put it to 0 so it's off, or 1 so the robot is on. And that's basically it. You just have this switch, and then you can start vacuuming with the start button, or you can return to the docking station with this return button. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.